Welcome everybody to my little money making experiment today. Today we're going to be running through 3 zones and testing how much profit can we make in just raw plat in 1 hour in each of these zones. We're going to start off today in Velkator's Labyrinth. The reason I chose this zone is because there's some decent drops in the form of bricks of Velium and random gems you can find that vendor pretty well. So let's get to killing.
If we take it all, chasing forbidden fruit, will it break us all? We'll know when we touch.
Alright, after an hour it looks like we made almost 1,000 plat in that hour, which isn't too bad. Basically means that if you were to, say, spend an hour there every day, you could afford to pay for your account through Chrono, which is about, they're sitting at about 30k right now, so decent, but there's probably better out there. Next we're going to take a look at Grieg's End. Grieg's End is a pretty popular leveling zone. Lots of droppable gems and other things that sell quite well, including some pieces of equipment from the named. Can be a little crowded at times, and it's kind of a long zone with lots and lots and lots of doors. Probably the reason I hate it the most. We'll see what we can pull here. As always, cue the montage. So here again, about 1,000 plat after about the 1 hour run. Small caveat though, I did get a black sapphire and a blue diamond in my run here, which both sell for quite a lot. Together they're about an extra 500 plat. So if I had sold those, I would have come out to around 1,500 plat. In addition, I did get a named to drop me an item that I don't know how much it really sells from the bazaar. If you want to try to sell one of those, you could. I don't, so I just kind of chalk it up as to nothing. But I'd keep the blue diamonds, the black sapphires for future needs if I ever need them, since they're pretty rare gems. So in total, about 1,500 raw plat value. Next up will be Siren's Grotto. Siren's Grotto is one of my go-to places at the moment. I know it has a large chance to drop many different kinds of gems that vendor very well. The camp I like to do is the Inner Castle camp with the Sirens. It's a little bit harder than most of your platform camps, but it to me it's kind of my stomping grounds. Was gonna have some nice montage music for this as well, but I don't know. Siren's Grotto has its own background sound that makes it all worth it, and I want you to kind of enjoy the experience like I do. Nothing quite beats the sound of bitch slapping sirens into oblivion. Anyway, here's the loot. Made almost 4,000 plat with a little caveat that I did have a 1,500 plat spear drop that I'm not going to sell because I'm lazy, so it's probably just going to sit in my bank until I decide to destroy it or put it on an alt. But if you include that into the profit, it'd be about 1,500 plat made. So, pretty good spot. One of my favorites. And if you guys like this video, I'll do some exploration in more spots for platforming. Thank you very much.